Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use Spotify's Only You feature. So what is Spotify Only You feature? Only You is a Spotify wrap-like feature that includes personalized playlists and highlights for your listening habits, all designed to cater to your taste and enhance your app experience. Now, what I'm gonna do here is open the Spotify app. And here I'm already at the Only You. Only You is a suite of Spotify features highlighting your listening habits and creating playlists catered to your taste. Only You contains features that change how you experience the app. Similar to app's yearly Spotify Wrap feature, Only You will display a comprehensive list of your listening habits. We have here the genre mixes. So it is made for me. And we have also your decade mixes. It's with the 90s mix, 2000 mix, and 2010 mix. We have here also your shows for my mixes. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!